Okay. Hello everyone. So nandito naman po yung inyong lingkod na makulit na lingkod. Okay. I am here to announce with you about our 2024 upcoming promotions. Okay. Actually, I do not know if we were able to attend the meeting with Ma'am Elin Tandario last week. She announced this new promotion for the year 2024. Actually, this is a one-year promotion. So she already mentioned the first half of the year na mga promotions with incentives and so on and so forth. So what is this all about? So I'm going to give you the slides, okay? Pasensya na po kayo, medyo SS po ako dahil sa aking ngipin. So papaayos pa lang ito, and then I'm going to share with you our slide. So, ganun pa din ang sistema natin. Kukuha po ako ng slide sa ating gallery. So, please bear with me. So, our first slide, para makita nyo ang ating logo, it's all about the Premier Loyalty promotion. Ayan. So, kung makita ninyo, this is our Premier Loyalty promotion starting this coming January 1st up to December. This is 1 year, but they mentioned, they announced first the first half promos with incentives, products ba yan, or kung ano ang pwede nila ibibigay sa atin ng For Life Philippines. Okay? So, what is this all about? So, our second slide is how are we going to join in this premier what we call this program, Premier Loyalty Program. So for those who cannot join by January, example, di ka nakapag-join ng January, so you still have a chance to join as a Premier Loyalty joiner kayo, okay? So mind you that our loyalty program will continue to be one of the For Life's flagship and strongest program in 2024. Bakit mas strongest siya? Kasi dalawa na ang klase ng ating loyalty. If those who can place loyalty below 150, so magpo-fall kayo sa regular loyalty. So iba yung inyong bonus product. Whereas for those who are going to join the Premier Loyalty, iba rin yung ating product na bonus product na makukuha. And this is more special than the regular loyalty bonus product. So saan kayo? Doon kayo sa regular na hindi natin alam kung ano yung product na ibibigay nila, or doon sa something special na bonus product. So I would rather choose the something special kasi mas siguro mas mahal yun at mas marami yun, okay? So, ayan, that is one of the yan yung ating pinaka-highlight this coming 2024 starting on January 1st, okay? So this is also 1 year of promotion. So, how are we going to do that? How are we going to join in this Premier Loyalty? So, the slide is this. Be part of this elite circle of For Life affiliates. Be part of Premier Loyalty. How to join? So, very simple. Have 150 LP and above loyalty order for 3 months. Kasi after 3 months na 150, 150, 150 ka from January to March, there's a what we call a perks, an exclusive bonus para sa atin. We do not know what is that, but the moment you were able to maintain that for 3 consecutive months, so ibig sabihin meron tayong matatanggap na bonus. Okay, masyadong maliliit, no? Kailangan natin palakihin. I-zoom natin. So, the bonus, especially yung mga new enrollees on Fast Start who will place 150 loyalty order in sorry lang, succeeding month are in. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga bagong enrollee, yung mga magre-register this coming January, the moment they place 150 LP, they are already joined the Premier Loyalty. They are already in. Okay? Pasok na sila. So, the following month, saka pa nila makukuha yung bonus kasi ganun man talaga pag nag-sign up ka as new registry new registrant new enrollee in short, new enrollee, okay? Bago ka nag-register, bago kang nag-register, okay? Makukuha nila ang product with discount pero wala pang bonus yan. The following month, pag nag-loyalty na sila, this is all about loyalty, this is not all about registration, okay? ang tinutukoy lang dito kapag nag-register sila na 150 LP kaagad sila, pasok na sila sa Premier loyalty. The moment na 150 sila by January, by February, nag 150 sila, so yung kanilang bonus, instead of regular lang, magiging special yung bonus nila. Kasi from the start ng January, 150 na ang registration nila, so in na sila doon. Basta pagka February, mag 150 din sila hanggang March, another additional bonus na ibibigay aside sa bonus product. Okay? Then, what are the perks? Ano yung mga perks natin? A special promotion for all Premier Loyalty members on selected months. Sample of possible promotion is number 1, upgrade free loyalty product of the month. So, ibig sabihin, let's say, kung nagbigay lang sila ng, let's say, mababa lang, let's say, Inumi lotion lang ibibigay nila for regular order na 125 to 149. So, yun yung regular order, mababa lang. Pero kung Premier Loyalty, affiliate ka, as fast start mo, so, makaka-receive ka ng, instead of, let's say, Inumi lotion, baka Transfer Factor Plus, or baka isang bottle canister ng Pro TF, ang laki nun, di ba? So, yun po yung ibig sabihin doon. So, wait, bakit nagkaroon ako ng, pasensya na ha, nag-clean up ako dahil siguro puno na ako. Anyway, this is just a matter of a seconds. And then, babalik tayo, okay? Ayan, pasensya na. So, mayroon lang tayong intermission. And then the second is increase loyalty product credits. Kasi pag below 150 LP ka lang, let's say 125 ka lang, you will only get a 20 to 21 credit points lang. Whereas kung nag 150 LP ka, yung 22.50 ira-round off yan sa 23 credit points. So, kung in 3 months time, as bago sila, 23 credit points ang nami-maintain nila instead of 125 LP na 20 or to 21 lang siya. So at least nag-increase siya ng 2 hanggang 3 points, okay? And then we will get an additional for life free for life products, okay? So yan yung mga example or sample ng ating possible promotions sa mga special promos ng Premier Loyalty. Now, the second is get exclusive discount and special seats to selected for life corporate events. Like for example, 2021, nagkaroon tayo ng corporate events dito na bumaba yung ating general manager from Manila to Cotabato City. So, if we have our corporate events, kapag tayo po ay isang achiever ng Premier Loyalty, we have a very exclusive seats. We are at the back of those who are high ranking. Like for example, nandoon yung mga high ranking na sa unahan. So, nasa likod tayo nila. Hindi tayo naupo sa likod na pinakadulo-dulo. Okay? So, kasali tayo doon sa mga exclusive seats ng mga high ranking. Okay? And then, number 3 is free exclusive logo merchants on selective months. Like for example, kung ano yung merong special selective months na meron tayong perks na makukuha, depende na yun kung anong ibibigay ng company. Sila po magbuot, okay? Sila ang mag-decide nun kung ano ang ibibigay nila para sa atin mga nakapag-join ng Premier na na-maintain from January to June. Kasi yun yung first month natin, first half year 2024. Okay? So number 4, Summit Magazine recognition for consistent Premier Loyalty members. Ang ating Summit Magazine yearly yan. So meron tayong one magazine na kung saan ilalagay lahat ang mga taong nire-recognize doon at masasali yung ating mga pangalan doon kapag na-maintain natin siya before the for the summit recognition sa magazine yan. Iba rin yung para sa recognition sa National Convention. Okay? So, ayan. So, lakihan natin para mabasa ko, no? So, fine prints, okay? All loyalty program mechanics apply. All Premier Loyalty promotions, if any, will be announced at the beginning of the month. Then, if an affiliate misses 150 LP on loyalty for 1 month, affiliates losses being a part of the Premier Loyalty in the succeeding month. Pasensya na kayo kay nagabulol-bulol ako na ang humok nagagahi, ang gahi na huhumok, kaya sorry na. Okay? Then to requalify for the Premier Loyalty Affiliate Records, records ba ito? Needs pala. Affiliate needs to have 3 months consecutive 150 LP loyalty order affiliates. Third consecutive months with 150 loyalty order will become affiliate first month of the Premier Loyalty. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-maintain natin ang first 3 months, okay? So, pag once na-maintain natin ang first 3 months, meron tayong order up to the last month. So, tayo po ay merong makukuhang tag ito, incentives niyan after 3 months. Okay? Now, applicable to 4Life Philippines affiliates in good standing. Ibig sabihin ng in good standing, you're active. Active po kayo, hindi po kayo nawala sa system. Now, for those who are here na nawala sa system, gustong mag-join ulit on January, then that is 150, you're already in sa Premier Loyalty. Okay? So, pwede na po kayong masali sa ating mga perks and mga incentives. And then, in case of dispute, 4Life preserves the right to amend, modify, suspend, or cancel the promotion anytime without prior notice. So, kanila kasi itong promotion. So, sila lang din ang pwedeng magka-cancel. In case of dispute, 4Life shall settle the matter and the decision shall be deemed final. So, ang final decision is nasa 4Life po yan. So, sana po naintindihan natin kung paano tayo mag-join, ano yung mga bonuses. Actually, ang mention ko dito is only for the first half of 2024, year 2024. Okay, excuse me. And then the next slide is, ito. So, medyo talaga mano-mano tayo, ano? So, the next slide is here. Here are some of the exclusive Premier Loyalty benefits for the first half of 2024. From January, na 150 LP ka, order, you're already in. Basta 150. Below 150, kahit isang point lang, 149, hindi ka talaga pasok dyan. Or sabihin mo, nag 125 LP ka, tapos mag-repurchase ka lang ulit, to make it 150, hindi po, kasi one time po ang 150, hindi po cumulative, okay? So, sana maunawaan nyo yan at maintindihan nyo. Makuha nyo na yun yung patakaran ng ating 4Life Philippines na mechanics, okay? Then, pagka February, masyadong maliliit, place 250 LP loyalty, okay, ganito yun siya. Kung nag 150 ka by January, and then pagka February, nag 250 ka dahil marami kang nabenta, magkakaroon ka ng another product, another free product. So, hindi ka lang makakuha ng special bonus product, you are given a one Energy Go Sticks. Don't you know that Energy Go Stick is one of the top 5 in the whole world na energy drinks? Kaya, hindi lang siya pwedeng inumin sa gabi. Sa araw lang talaga yan. Kasi dilat ang mata natin paggabi. Kasi nga, energy nga siya, Energy Go. So, go and go ka lang yan. So, we have to drink that daytime para makasustain yung ating katawan at yung medyo makatulog-tulog ka, hindi ka makakatulog dahil nga energetic ka. Okay? Now, on the March, we are going to receive a Premier Loyalty pin. And mind you, that pin is not from Philippines. It is from US pa. Kaya, yung ating pin, special po na pin, galing pa po yan sa US. Okay? Then, by April, kapag na-maintain natin from January to April, free sale of discounted National Convention tickets. So, meron po kasi tayong yearly convention, national convention, all throughout the Philippines na mga affiliates. Okay? So, dyan po yung award and recognition for the whole year production or action or work natin na binibigay sa company. So, nire-recognize po tayo kapag isa po tayo sa mga achiever. Okay? So, if we are going to achieve the Premier Loyalty, so tayo po ay meron tayong special seat during the convention na kasama po tayo, nasa likod tayo ng kasamahan nating mga top affiliates. Yun yung mga high ranking. Okay, yun yung mga achievers ng For Life. So, included tayo doon sa seat na yun. Meron tayong special seat. Now, from January to May, na-maintain yung 150 LP. Then, the good thing on May is you're going to receive a double credit points. Kung nag-150 LP tayo, we are going to receive a 22.50 times 2. So, magiging 45 credit points na makukuha natin. So, don't you know that 45 credit points, that is, the moment you are going to redeem, you are going to buy that for only more than, kasi let's say, mag-example tayo ng ng collagen, kasi maraming gusto magbata eh. So yung collagen, kung bibilhin natin yan as normal price as member, 1,930 yan. So kung dalawa na pwede mong ma-redeem yan kasi 20 LP lang yan. So if you have 45 LP, you can have at least 2 boxes of collagen. Kasi nasa 20 LP lang yan. Since you have 45 LP, so magagamit mo yung 40. 2020 is 40. So may sobra ka pang 5 LP or credit points. So hindi mo magamit yung 5 kasi walang mababa na 5. Ang pinaka-next sa pinakamababa natin is 8 LP, which is our Inumi lotion. Now, if you have 45, then you can redeem 2 collagen, which is only, magko-cost lang siya ng 400 plus. Plus 400 plus ang isang box. Plus plus redemption fee. So, ang redemption fee, kaisa mo lang siya babayaran regardless kung 10 ang iyong pwedeng ma-redeem. So, since dalawa ang i-redeem mo na collagen, so, ang makukuha mo, 2 box kasi meron kang 45. Since 40 yung pwede mong magamit kasi 2020 lang ang per box. So, kaisa ka lang magbayad ng redemption, pero ang 2 box, instead of 400 plus lang siya ang isa, i-times 2 mo yan. So, nasa 800 plus 213 na redemption fee. Okay? So, you have more than 1,000 plus. So, sa 1,000 plus, ginansyado ka na masyado niyan kasi 85% discounted ka. Ibenta mo yan ngayon ng SRP price, which is 2,550. So, malaking ginansya mo kasi binili mo lang yun ang dalawa ng worth 1,000 plus. Don't you know, kung bilhin mo yun ng regular as member, that is more than 3,000 plus. Okay? Almost 4,000. Gamay na lang diferensya para mag 4,000 siya. So, binili lang natin ng 1,000 plus. Kasi, meron kasi siyang surcharge dahil powder siya. Pag ma-damage kasi yun, papalitan niya ng company ng as is. Baka nga may sobra pa. Okay? So, yun yun. Then, pag na-maintain mo from January to June, okay, you are going to receive an exclusive Premier Loyalty logo merchandise. So, it's either bag yan na may logo ng ating For Life or t-shirt or tumbler or any perks. Depende yan kung anong ibibigay ng company. And that is for the half year for 2024. Okay? So, yan yung in-announce sa atin ni Ma'am Elin Tandario last week. So, for those who were able to attend the Zoom, siguro alam niyo na yan. Okay? So, watch out for more announcement for July, July to December exclusive perks. Another perks na naman ibibigay nila, not the same with the perks from the first half of the year. Okay? So, reminder, all Premier Loyalty orders are qualified for the loyalty free product of the month. So, lahat ng qualified sa Premier Free Product free bonus product. Iba yung ating bonus product sa below 150. Okay? Yan ang parating yung tandaan, especially yung sa atin. Then, special recognition for the consistent Premier Loyalty members in our Summit magazine. Then, special discount for tickets for select corporate events. Like for example, 2021, nandito yung ating general manager, nagkaroon tayo ng corporate event, malaking event yun. So, gastos lahat yun ng company. So, we will be given a special seat kasama ng ating mga high-ranking affiliates. Okay? So, sa likod tayo ng mga high-ranking affiliates, maganda yung ating pwesto dahil malapit tayo sa stage. Okay? Then, a special discount for tickets for select for left corporate events. Okay, na-mention ko na din. Access to exclusive premier loyalty events. So, may mga access tayo sa mga Premier Loyalty events. So whatever it is, we will know it. Okay, we will know it the moment nandun tayo sa buwan na kung saan may mga special perks. So every month yan, meron yung mga announcement for Premier Loyalty. So watch out for that, okay? And then, the next slide is, um, okay, so na-mention na natin yan. Paano natin i-maintain at ano ang makukuha natin in return. Now, the moment you have Loyalty 150 order, okay, from January to March, you are already in for the bonus by the following month or kung after the 3 months, hindi the following month. After 3 months, may ibibigay sa atin ang company. Aside sa ating free products, meron pa tayong additional products na marireceive. Okay? Na-mention ko na yan, na-announce ko na yan kanina. Okay? And then, the next slide is, what if namintis kayo? Hindi nyo na-maintain. Okay? Na-miss kayo ng isang buwan. Okay. Let's say from January to March, na-maintain nyo ang 150 LP, but the following month, which is April, nag-125 lang kayo. You know what? You're already out in the program. Okay? Mawawala na kayo sa system ng 100 LP. Pero, kung nag-125 lang kayo, hindi kayo naka 100 LP, 150 LP, yung inyong bonus product is intended for 125 to 149 LP lang. Pero, kung na-maintain nyo from April, another Premier Loyalty bonus product na special na naman yung ibibigay. Okay? So, kung na-maintain natin ang January to March, then na-maintain natin na pagka-April, so maintain yung ating bonus na mga special bonus. Pero pag hindi, ma-out kayo, ang tanong, makabalik pa ba? Yes. You have to start on May. Prior to May, going to July, na 150 kayo, ibig sabihin you are in again. So, meron kayo, qualified kayo sa marireceive na special bonuses or perks kung ano man ang ibibigay ng company. Because this promotion is just like our fast start na mag-sign up ng 400 LP, you will get a lot of incentives, cash incentives for 1 year. And that is 2.3 million. So this one is a simple promotion, but you know, you can avail this. 150 is masyado lang maliit. You can maintain this. And how are you going to maintain this kind of loyalty na 150? All you have to do is add more valued customer, happy customer, yung satisfied customer. Kasi you will not get for your from your own pocket yung loyalty na 150. Ako, I am not getting a loyalty na 150 every month na kukunin ko sa pocket ko. It's because I maintained a lot of customers. Okay? Meron ako after quarterly yan sa akin, talagang order yan ng dalawang product, BioEFA and Transfer Factor Plus, Pure. So, merong nagme-maintain sa akin every month na cardio, may nagme-maintain ng glutamine prime. So, pag yan, before, from 1 to 18, nandyan yung inyong mga valued customer, happy customer, satisfied customer, hindi kayo mawawala ng loyalty every month. So, all you have to do is share it. Buka ka lang naman ang bibig natin. We have to share that to our friend, known people, or even stranger. Kasi yung mga stranger, mas sila pa yung maniniwala sa atin. Kasi karamihang hindi naniniwala sa atin yung mga close sa atin. Sometimes, the very near to us, our husband, relatives, the more na yung pinaka-closer sa atin, yun silang hindi naniniwala. Mas naniniwala po yung mga cold people. Ibig sabihin ng cold people, those people that we do not know them. Those strangers, okay? Ay yung mga nakasasalamuhan natin ang first time. So that's it. So all you have to do is have a lot of customers. And then, kahit yan lang, enjoy having your free products because for me, my free products is not only for me, it is intended for my family. My redemption products, yung mga mariredeem ko, it's not only for me, it's also for my family. Especially, may mga mahal tayo sa buhay na may mga maintenance na. So, para hindi masyado tagtak sa mga synthetic, we have to adjunct our product which can prolong the life. Okay? And I, for one, is maka-attest ako dyan because my mother was hospitalized last September, and she was able to survive because I talagang dosage of product of For Life ang pinainom ko sabay doon sa synthetic kasi hindi po talaga maganda ang synthetic. It will really kill your kidney. So for me, all the free products and redemption, ang redemption makakapili ako, it's either gusto kong i-consume with my family, and the other remaining products, I can share that, or no, I'm not going to share that, but I can benta that. I'm going to sell that product with SRP price. Okay? So, hindi kayo lugi doon kasi 85% ang discount natin sa redemption. So, the more you have loyalty, the more you can uh, accumulate the credit points. Depende na sa inyo kasi there are times na ako hindi ko nire-redeem ang monthly. Kailangan kong antayin ang 3 months kasi may intention akong gustong kukunin. Like for example, Pro TF. That is 25 LP pero pag i-redeem mo yan, that is 50 LP. That is only 900 plus. Almost 1,000. Pero kung bibilhin mo yan as regular price, that is 3,500. 3,600. 3,900 pala. Pag regular price as member, that is 2,600. Pero bibilihan lang natin ng almost 1,000. That is good enough to share that product to our loved ones. Okay? So, yan lang po. And I hope and pray that this coming 2024, we are more patient, and we are more attentive, we are more obedient, okay? Hindi naman po ako nagdi-demand. Ang sa akin is, at least the more you obey the promotions, the advice, the suggestions, or yung mga sinisend ko na mga 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 quotes, you know what? Para yun sa mga sarili natin. It's not only for me, it's for everybody. Ang importante lang doon is yung bang magising tayo na sana 2024, if we have a serious dreams and ambitions in life, the only thing that you will do is action. No, wala na talagang iba. Action lang. Kasi mahirap po yung nagsasalita tayo na gagawin natin, pero kung walang action, only in our mind, wala pong action with our physical, hindi po mangyayari yung gusto natin. So, alam naman natin yung hindi na bago yan sa atin. All you have to do is decide. Decide to reach that dreams. That dreams that will turn into reality. Though ako, hindi pa man nag-turn into reality, but I am already there because I'm doing it. But this kind of business is not a single person we need. This is a people's business. So we need people in our umbrella, in our organization, in our business organization. So for us to have a successful business in this multi-level marketing, which is networking, this is involved of a lot of people. So we need to, kumbaga, magsigitag sigpaw para makuha nato itong pinaka the best. So you do not know, baka you are one of the best and you are one of the chosen affiliate that will prosper the life here in For Life. So hindi natin alam, minsan kasi hindi pa natin alam yung ating breakthrough. Baka by this year 2024, if you are really really and truly decided to get this dream to turn into reality now, and God is ready for, and if you are now ready, your heart is already ready, okay, God will manifest that dreams, tell you. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng success na wala tayong ginagawa. This is not an overnight success. This is really a hard work. Ganun po ang totoo. Kapag tayo ay empleyado, ganun din po ang ginagawa natin. We give our 8, more than 8 pa nga kasi nag-overtime ang iba. Okay? But, fix yung income. But here, when you give your best, you give your all, it's not a fix. It is a crazy income. Because I experienced that in my company before, and I experienced a crazy income, 6-digit income. a sales of millions, and I got a 6-digit income. Ang sarap po talaga. Kaso lang, hindi siya na well managed. Maybe it's because I'm not for that company, because I am for this company. That's why ina-isolate tayo minsan para makita natin na much better pa pala yung ibibigay ni Lord sa atin. And please, do not never give up. Just stay where you can serve your family when it comes to physical issues. Kasi dito sa For Life, hindi tayo mapapaya sa product. Many doctors are prescribing this, sharing this product, because the doctors itself, they know how effective our product. So, marami nang yumaman sa For Life. Yun lang, depende na sa desisyon na ibibigay natin ang ating best. We don't need an 8 hours. We will just get the right person with our action. If you will not do your action, you cannot get the right person. If you don't have right person, then dreams is closed. Hindi mo makukuha yan. Hindi natin makukuha yan. And remind you again, this kind of business is a people's business, so we need a people in this business organization. So, wag kayong mawala ng pag-asa dahil kahit nga government, they need people because they cannot work it alone. Okay? Hindi nila masustain ang need ng government because they need manpower. The same in networking. The manpower are those affiliates. So, I am part of the manpower of my upline. My upline is also part of the manpower of her upline. So, ganun lang yun. So, huwag nyo isipin, nag-a-announce ka lang dyan para gusto mo may kita ka, gusto mo may production kami para kumita ka. No. Because that's the system of networking. Okay? So, maintindihan nyo sana yan. So, yan lang po. And this coming January 6, okay, we will have our party. Hindi pa huhuli yan kasi double celebration yan. We have a late Christmas celebration and a New Year celebration this coming January 6. Saan po ang ating venue? Free ang venue natin. Hindi pala siya free kasi magbabayad tayo ng entrance fee. So, doon tayo sa Tamuntaka. Free lang yung venue pero may entrance lang tayo na 40 pesos. You can bring a food that you wanted to bring there. Paano gusto nyo i-contribute? We will just contribute a food. And then, aside from that, we will have a lot of fun there. Kasi may mga magagandang games. Katulad last year, kukonti lang kami pero grabe kabibo talaga. As in, hindi magkaumayaw sa grabing tawanan, grabing hagilapan, kung nasaan yung mga premyo, di ba? So, masarap po, mayroon tayong get together. At least, first month of the year, we have a get together na tawag niyan, pangpakati para monthly meron tayong get together na meron tayong yung bang banding. Kasi hindi pwedeng walang banding ang ganitong klaseng business organization. We should have our banding. We will talk about other things aside from For Life. So, pwedeng hindi natin pag-usapan ng For Life, pwede rin pag-usapan natin during our banding time. So, that is our first month of the year to have our banding. We have a late Christmas party and a New Year party. On January 6, we will start at 9 and we will end up kung depende hanggang anong oras tayo matatapos. Kasi mag-i-enjoy tayo doon. And we have a Christmas exchange gift also or New Year exchange gift. At least 150 or 200 ba na pwede nating ibibigay sa ating kakringgel kung sino yung makukuha natin. At least memorable para kahit papano, itong bagay na ito nakuha ko kay nagaling sa kanya, 'di ba? So last 28 of December, kahapon yata 'yun. Kahapon nagkaroon kami ng nung isang araw ng Christmas party with our presidential affiliate si Ate Dalia Mirasol. So maganda po. At least nagkaroon kami ng actually invited man ang lahat pero only few were able to come kasi may mga syempre hindi may iwasan na mayroon tayong mga events, mga family events, okay? Office events or whatsoever. So yan lang po. Happy New Year everyone. Please stay healthy because only our health can sustain for whatever wealth ang gusto nating marating. Okay? So, may our passion, our patience, our commitment and conviction through our heart, decision, and action should be applied this coming 2024. And I hope let us be cooperative. Your cooperation is also well appreciated. Kasi when you cooperate, meaning to say you are ready to get that, you want to reach that dreams to turn into reality. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Happy New Year! God bless everyone. And please take care, especially yung sa mga paputok. Okay? So yun lang po. Huwag masyadong kumain ng masyadong mataas ang cholesterol dahil medyo delikado yun sa mga may hypertension. So watch out of your foods. Okay? So yun lang po. Maraming salamat. I love you all. God bless us all. Thank you. Signing off. And welcome this coming 2024 year with good health and prepared and ready to accept whatever it is, whatever it takes if you wanted to be successful this coming 2024. We will do the 90 days program. So we will tackle that on our New Year, Christmas and New Year's party. Okay? Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Good night. So naabot tuloy og 30 minutes. 36 minutes.